going to show you the difference between our corrosion-free hot water heat pump and the non-corrosion-free hot water heat pump today. Let's check the casing firstly. As you could find, this model is with the white color and it is the painted coat without the corrosion-free treatment. However, this black color model, it is not only printed black. Secondly, let us check the evaporator of these two models. Firstly, let's see the non-corrosion model. You can find the evaporator is in normal material and it is in blue field. But for our corrosion-free model, you can see all these evaporator could be with special corrosion treatment, so it is in the black color. Besides that, you also can find the screws on these two models are different. For our white color model, all these screws should be stainless steel 304. But for the corrosion-free model, all these screws, it is also stainless steel 304, but it also with the painted coat bright color. So it is with a better performance for the corrosion. I'm sure you could understand the difference between the corrosion-free model and the non-corrosion-free models now. Feel free to contact us for further information. Thank you.